Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to show a quick video on this ring Cattleya Tante Fu Shu Glory. It is a cross between a ring Cattleya Tante Varut Festo Feastful cross with Cattleya Kawi Star Parade. Let me show you the label. So this one I had shown a few, I think it was end of December, where this flower had just started to bloom. At that time it was just clear, like greenish petals, and it didn't have all the splash colors on it. And I thought, I didn't realize that it was going to change color like after a few, like right now it's been like more in bloom for more than 2-3 months, and you can see how here is the flowers have started putting on like a splash colors. I think so it's like a light cream with the yellow, and here's the lip, dark lip, almost maroonish color with the yellow center. And it had bloomed at the same time as my singing greenwood, and it looked exactly the same as that one. It didn't have any fragrance, so I was not expecting this to have any fragrance. But right now it's been like in bloom for 2 to 3 months, and I do notice it's got like a slight fragrance to it. And here is my singing greenwood. It has finished its bloom. It's almost done, and you can see it's one flower is already on its way out, is finished blooming. I should cut that off now if it'll come out, otherwise I'll use, okay, here it is. So this one is done, and this one here is almost on its way out. So they both bloomed at the same time, and at that time I liked this one better for a couple of reasons, because it was more round in shape and it had a much better smell, like the fragrance was ridiculously good. So I like this one a lot better. But I thought if I had the choice, I would, between to pick the two of them, I would pick this. And I don't know about now. I think they both have the same thing, because like I said, this one now has a slight fragrance to it, and it's still in bloom. And the splash petals, it's giving me like a little, I just love the splash petals, the splash colors. So I would say now that I would treat them both the same, in the same boat. I would not give them away and to keep one over the other, because to me right now they're both, this one is equally good. So the care I give for it is the same as the Cattleya. Bright light. Now watering in every week, depending on the weather and how it's, the media, if it's dry, give it a little bit more water. Let the fertilize every weekly, like very weak dose, like a quarter strength, or you know, or a little bit of CalMag, but pretty much simple watering, nothing like calculated, measured, or anything like that. I treat the same as any other Cattleyas. Gives a lot of light, and of course it's the first time it's been blooming for me, and I'm very thrilled. I have it, I got it a couple of years ago from New Jersey Orchid, when they had an orchid show here in this area, and I got it that time. It was from this this people, they're from abroad. They're from Taiwan, so they had to bring it, because of they're bringing it from abroad. They had to bring it in moss, and they couldn't sell it in any kind of a media, so I had to like transplant it into an orchid bark, and it's been doing good now. So let me take this one out. This is my singing greenwood. Let me show you the label, because that plant is almost done and it's on its way out. So that's that one, but I'm not talking about that plant. But even though I love that one for the smell and the fragrance, but it's done blooming, it's on its way out. So So now this one is still in bloom, so I thought I will show you the colors, the real colors, before it fades. And I would recommend this one if anybody wants to get it. It's a beautiful plant, beautiful flower, I should say. The plant is just a regular cattleya. See the cattleya, I think this is a bifoliate. It's bifoliate means it's got 2 leaves on one pseudobulb or cane. You want to call it a cane. This is a this one. It's the cane. It's a pseudobulb of this plant. So it's a bifoliate, meaning it's got 2 leaves per cane. It's they could behave like a unifoliate too, because sometimes they come out with just 1 leaf. See, these 2 only have 1 leaf, and this one too has only 1 leaf, whereas these 2 produce 2 leaves. So they behave. They behave in their own way. Sometimes it's unifoliate, sometimes it could be bifoliate. So, but I'm guessing this is a bifoliate because I see a lot of them has double leaves on it. So beautiful flower. I really like it. I mean, the smell is not as good as the other one. It is there. It's not like when you walk in the room and the whole room smells. It's just there. So anyway, so I would highly recommend this plant. So if anybody wants it, you know, it's a good plant, any good flower. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.